Hello, this is Mary with All Things Automotive, bringing you here today 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. This vehicle features a 5.3-liter V8 gasoline engine with four-wheel drive, and this vehicle has had two previous owners. As we get closer here to the front of this full-size pickup, you'll be able to see that it is a sleek Crimson Red Tintcoat with chrome and black accents, as you'll be able to see there on the front grille as well as down around those tow hooks and fog lights. Those fog lights will help you out in inclement weather, and speaking of inclement weather, we'll come along here to the side of this vehicle and take a look at its tires and wheels. This vehicle features chrome 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, and as for the tire treads, you have got a good amount of life left in those, but I'll get you those exact measurements here in just a second, as this vehicle, along with all the other vehicles here at All Things Automotive, has undergone a new multi-point inspection, as well as received a fresh oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a new engine air filter, so you don't need to worry about replacing any of those anytime soon. Here on the insides of your mirrors, you do have your turn signal indicators integrated into those, and right behind all those wheels, you do have mudguards, which will help to prevent not only mud from flinging up on your vehicle, but from anything that might chip away your paint like gravel or stone chips. All along the bottom of the cab, you do have black and chrome running boards to help you get in and out with ease, and all along the tops of the windows, you do have lumed rain visors to help keep the rain out. We'll now take a look here to the inside of this vehicle. Here on the inside of this pickup, you do have a lovely jet black leather upholstery on the seats for a nice and easy cleanup after any spills or messes. And like I had mentioned earlier, you do have those chrome and black accents making their way up the dashboard, along with some really stylish cherry-colored faux wood trim going along the insides and the doors. While we're looking over here, I'll just open up the glove box to bring you the results of that multi-point inspection that I was talking about. And as you'll be able to see here on this inspection sheet, you do have green checks the entire way around. And as for your tire treads, you have 11/32 in all of your tires. And as for your brake pads, you have 13/32 in both the front and the rear. So you have a long ways to go before you need to replace any of those wearables. Right beside that multi-point inspection, you also have the Carfax Vehicle History Report, and you may notice there was a minor damage report in the front of the vehicle, which you have already seen. A minor damage report is just cosmetic, just things like dents or scratches to the vehicle body, and I will be going up close over the entire vehicle later on in this video, so you can see everything in detail for yourself. I'd also like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get the original owner's manual with it as well, so if you have any questions after you buy it, you'll be able to look them up in there. We'll now continue on to take a look at the rear occupant seating. As you'll be able to see back here, this vehicle can seat a total of 5 people, and for these rear occupants, you do have a power outlet as well as 2 small storage spaces and pockets on the backs of both of those front seats. And down on the floor, you do have all-weather floor liners to help keep your floors nice and clean. Over here on the door, all of the doors do have several storage spaces in them as well as powered windows. I'll just close that door and we'll continue on to take a look here at the rear of this vehicle. As we're making our way back, you'll be able to see that you do have corner steps to help you get up and into the bed with ease. And as you'll be able to see back here, you do have a pre-installed tow bar as well as both a 4 and 7-pin connector for a trailer hitch hookup and a spare tire behind it if you're ever in a pinch. And all along the bumper, you do have rear proximity sensors, that is what those small dots are. They will let you know if there's anything behind you whenever you're backing up or parking, and you'll also have a backup camera to go along with that as well. I'll just open up the tailgate. And as you'll be able to see, this full-size pickup does have a bed that's about 6.5 feet, so you've got plenty of space back here to haul some really nice loads. You also have a spray-in bedliner to help protect the bed against any nicks or scratches the loads you put in here might give it. I'll just close that tailgate back up, and we'll continue around here to the driver's side. I would like to mention that with the purchase of this vehicle, you do get 2 keys for your convenience, and both of them do come with remote start as well. This vehicle does have powered mirrors, powered windows, and powered door locks, as well as a BOSE sound system integrated into it. And over here on the driver's seat, you do have 8-way powered seating adjustments, meaning you can move the seat forwards, backwards, up, down, tilting the seat forward and back, and then 2 directional lumbar support. You also have a tilting steering wheel, meaning you can move it up and down to fit you as you like. And to the left of that steering wheel is just your dashboard backlight controls, headlight controls, 4-wheel drive shift, and then this pickup does come with an integrated trailer braking controller as well. The last thing I would like to show you before I get inside the vehicle and turn it on is over here on the door, as this vehicle does come with a memory system for your power seating adjustments, which is really convenient if this vehicle has more than one driver. Basically, all you need to do is set your power seating adjustments how you like them the first initial time, and from then onwards, with the push of a button, they will automatically readjust to how you initially set them, keeping you from constantly fiddling around with those controls. I'll now just get inside this pickup and turn it on for you. This vehicle does use its key to start as opposed to a push to start. And now that the engine is running and the dashboard's lit up, you'll be able to see that this vehicle has about 36,403 miles on it. We'll take our attention over here to the right side of the steering wheel, as over here are your dashboard navigation buttons. So with these, you can cycle through all the different information and services this vehicle provides to you up there on that dashboard. To the left of those dashboard navigation buttons, you do have your Bluetooth and call controls, as this vehicle does have smartphone integration. And then on the left side of the steering wheel, you do have your cruise controls, as well as your forward collision warning toggle up top. And beneath that, you do have the toggle for the heated steering wheel to help keep your hands warm in the winter. We'll now take a look here to the center of this vehicle. Here in the center of the vehicle, you do have your lovely touchscreen, LCD display, and I'll just throw it in reverse to show you that backup camera in action. Beneath that display, you do have controls for it. A bit farther down, you do have a CD player. Your climate controls in the front driver's seat and the front passenger seat are both heated and cooled to help keep you comfortable no matter the season. A bit farther down, you'll be able to see that those foot pedals are adjustable as well. Your electronic stability mode toggle, which just helps to prevent skidding and sliding. Your bed light controls, park sense toggle, and then over here, this vehicle does come with lane keep assist as well. A bit farther down, you do have USB charging ports, as well as power outlets and an AC charging port to charge whatever device you have. 2 cup holders, a small storage space here. You do have a wireless smartphone charger up top if your smartphone is compatible. And underneath, you do have your main storage compartment with a removable tray, 2 USB charging ports, an aux cord plug-in, and a power outlet inside. Lastly, we'll take a look up, as this vehicle does come with built-in garage door openers, as well as a power sliding rear window to really enjoy those sunny summer days. We'll now move on here to the last section of this video. Here, in the last section of this video, we do want to address that this vehicle is pre-owned, so be looking around for any blemishes, nicks, or stains. We know a lot of our customers come from very far away, and we want the purchasing process to be transparent and straightforward. We want you to know what you're getting with the purchase of this vehicle, imperfections and all. So as I'm looking around the inside of the vehicle, I can only see a very faint discoloration here on that black plastic. But other than that, there is nothing else standing out to me. There are no odors or scents whatsoever. So we'll take a look here now to the outside of this vehicle. And here along the front of this vehicle, you do have several small nicks, most likely from stone chips. Stone chipping is extremely common. Almost every vehicle has some form of it. The only way you can really prevent it is just by not driving your vehicle. We'll come along here now to the passenger side. A few nicks peppering along here too. We do have a bit of corrosion there on those wheels. Some small nicks. One there, as well as there. And we'll continue around here now to the rear. Now, often where I do tend to see several imperfections in pickups is on the top of the tailgate, as people don't take care of putting items in and taking items out. And as I take a look here, you do have several small nicks and scuffs peppering along the top of the tailgate there. And I will just close that back up. We'll continue back around here to the driver's side. Your nick a bit lower. A significant one on that rear driver's side door, and we are back to where we started. That generally concludes this video vehicle tour. This vehicle has a lot of great features to offer. If you're interested in a red pickup with an extended cab, a good amount of space in the bed with a backup camera, pre-installed tow bar, rear proximity sensors, corner steps, a spare tire, mudguards, black and chrome running boards, rain visors, tow hooks, fog lights, 2 keys with remote start, leather upholstery, lumbar support, a built-in garage door opener, a rear power sliding window, smartphone integration, heated and cooled front seats with a heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, and 4-wheel drive, this is a good option for you. If you're interested in this vehicle, come and check it out at All Things Automotive, located at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, PA. or you can give us a call at 717-485-4224. You can also check out this red pickup and other listings on our website at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Thank you for watching this video, and have a great day!